This is Activity 4.2 on page 91, creating a template. The file we'll be working with is Training Manual. You like the style that you used to create the House Salvage Recycling Center's training manual. You want to save elements of this document to a template so that you can create future house salvage documents in the same type. I'm going to go to File, Open, and Browse. Make sure you're in your Using Templates folder, and we want the training manual document. Number 2, delete all content after the Building with Heart title and tagline. Position your cursor in the paragraph after the tagline. I'm going to activate my Show Hide button. So I'll click right here, and we're going to press and hold the Shift key and then use Page Down. And that's going to select the remaining document. If you keep hitting press down while holding down Shift. You can click and drag if you want. It's just easier so you don't get stuck on any of the graphics. And we can't do Control A because we don't want this selected. With all of that selected, we're going to hit our Delete key. You want to keep the red page border, the Building with Heart logo, and the House Salvage Recycling Center's name and tagline in this particular template. Number 3, add a text placeholder for the document content. Select the empty paragraph mark and verify that the style is normal, which it is. If you have deleted all empty paragraphs, then just create a new line. You just want that one empty line. We're going to press Control and F9 to insert field code braces. If you need to do Control Function F9 for your particular keyboard, you can do that. And between the braces, we're going to type macro button space no macro. And then type the document content here to add a placeholder with instructions to the template. So we want, after that first space, so in between those two dots, macro button space no macro space opening square brackets, type, make sure you spell everything correctly, content here, and then your closing square brackets. And you can increase the zoom if you need to make it easier for you to see. We're going to save the file as My Training Manual Template in the Custom Office Templates folder. On the Quick Access toolbar, it tells us to do a Save As. So we actually added this in one of our, maybe I took it off. I don't have it on mine anymore. I'm just going to do File, Save As. I can go to my current folder. It's going to take me elsewhere though. Save As type, I'm going to change to Word Template. And you can see it automatically took me to my custom office templates. Stay there, don't go back to your home drive. And we're going to name this My Training Manual Template. And then click Save. And then we're going to close out of this document. And we're going to create a new document based on our new template. So we're going to go to File and New. And we're going to click this heading here, Personal. And we have our My Training Manual template. We're going to select that. And Word creates a new document based on our template. And you can see where we added that placeholder text for the macro. Now we have a placeholder here. So when we click into it, it selects the whole entire thing. And I don't know, I'm just going to type my name. You can see it overwrites it with one click. All right, you don't have to save this. We can do File, Close. It's going to ask you if you want to save your changes. You can click Don't Save. And we'll leave our Word application open for our next activity.